When you open Pixlr Editor for the first time, this is what you'll see. You can create a new image, open an image from a computer, or open an image from a URL. Before we do that, let's take a look at the interface. On the top menu bar, we have different tools to make adjustments to the whole picture. In the toolbox, we have tools to make adjustments to just part of the picture. On the right side, we have several panels. The Navigator panel lets you move in and out on the picture. The Layers panel lets you manage the different layers that make up your picture. The History panel records each change you make to a picture in order. Let's create a new image. It's good practice to start each image by creating a blank background that has the required dimensions. This is called a canvas. Go to the File menu and choose New Image and enter the required dimensions. All of the images that you create for your graphics project must be exactly 800 pixels wide by 600 pixels high. This is a typical size for images displayed on the web. You can choose 800 by 600 from the list of preset image sizes, or manually by entering 800 by 600. You can check the dimensions of your canvas at the bottom of the window. You can leave your canvas white, but if you want to let some of your canvas show through in the background, you can add color to it. To color the canvas black, which is the color that's in the main color tool when you open the application, click on the Paint Bucket tool in the toolbar. Then click within the image. If you'd like a gradient effect, click on the Gradient tool in the toolbar and click and drag within the image. You have created a canvas with the exact dimensions required for your project, just like a painter starts a painting with a blank canvas that's the right size. Now that there's data in the panels on the right side of your screen, you can see how they work. In the History panel, you can step back to the point before you colored your canvas, and step forward to the most recent change. In the Layers panel, you can see that there is one layer in your image right now, named Background. As you add other elements to it, new layers will be created. The Navigator panel lets you zoom in on part of the image. You can move around the image by dragging the red square in the Navigator panel where you want to go. Now is a good time to save your new image. Go File, Save. Choose a file name that ends with the number of the image in the sequence of your slideshow. This is my 5th image, so I will call it GP_05. The format you should use is PXD. This is very important. PXD stands for Layered Pixlr Image. This format saves each layer of your image, so when you open it later, you can edit each layer individually. Other formats like JPEG don't let you do this. Save the file to your computer in PXD format. It's the format you should always use while you're editing your image. The window with your image in it now has the name you gave the file when you saved it to the computer.